It's Saturday. It's a nice, gloomy, chill day. It's pouring. Christmas tree. Brown chicken done now too. Yeah, got the tacos, y'all. It's not always about the beef, guys. Oh shit! Ah, I'm scared. Ooh, I was scared to swallow. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Before I get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below other videos you guys want to see, and let's go ahead and get into today's video. So this will be Vlogmas day 6 and 7. It's Saturday. It's a nice, gloomy, chill day. I'm honestly just gonna be in the house. It is 3 o'clock. I just ate my wings and fries, and right now I'm about to light a candle and watch some Hannah Montana and play my Switch. So today y'all gonna watch me play my Switch, bake some Christmas cookies, and it's supposed to be a parade tonight. I don't know if they still gonna have it, but we'll see. And I'll vlog that. We'll probably go sit in the car and go watch it, but don't vlog that. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. It's gonna be nice, chill, short, sweet. I had to post something for y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. And I'm gonna wear my bonnet because I don't feel like taking it off. I'm just chilling in the house, so I'm gonna be in my bonnet this video, so it's okay. I'm gonna post more chill videos so I can post more for y'all, not always out doing something. So we're just gonna make this aesthetically pleasing. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do a voiceover though, talk about stuff. I'm watching Hannah Montana, so nostalgic. I had to get Disney Plus to watch stuff like this. That's So Raven, Lizzie McGuire, Wizards of Waverly Place. I want to watch the new reboot that they did. So I think it's on Peacock, or it might be on no, it's not on Disney Plus. I don't know what it's on, but I'm gonna find it. So let's go ahead and enjoy today's chill vibe day and video. Y'all, so the plans changed. I'm actually finna go work a little bit. But it's pouring. Y'all see that? Damn. I'm in the car. I'm in my car. Alright, yeah, plans changed. I was finna not work, but I came out instead. It's rainy. They canceled the parade. Like, why y'all cancel the parade? Well, I see why, but yeah. I want to do my eyebrows, but I gotta get an eyebrow pencil. Wish I had my tote bag. I was gonna take it out in the store with me, but it's cold. I mean, it's raining. I'm barely even gonna be able to get myself in the store. Fuck. I'll do a little quick little 8-item order real swift, so I don't gotta carry bags in this rain. Got on my nice flared jeans. But I shouldn't have wore these now I'm thinking about it because they drag. So my end of my pants gonna be wet. Fuck. Didn't think about that one, guys. But yeah, I think I'm gonna still try to take y'all in the store with me to get some footage for today. I'm gonna just put y'all in my hoodie or whatnot. So I'll see y'all when I get in the store. Set it down right now. I'll let you down. Alright, I'm done with that and I'm about to go check out. Enter your phone number. Jingle Mingle entrance? Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. Better here. Oh, they got over there too. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to ignore the kids. I'm about to make some of these Christmas tree shaped sugar cookie dough cookies. And it said help you make festival holiday. Cut out template and trace onto. Okay, I'm not doing this part, but I just want to try these. I always see these never bought them, so we're gonna throw these in the oven. And then while these cooking, I got y'all seen the taco stuff I got. I'm gonna make some chicken tacos. I never had chicken tacos, so yeah, that's what we about to do. Don't be saying ooh. All right, so I got the bacon sheet. So it say just heat oven 350, 325 actually. And then place cookie dough around on ungreased cookie sheet. Bake 10 to 12 minutes. Cook surface and edges with pale and color. Not over baked. Okay, 10 to 12 minutes. These are cute. Oh. carbs. Got a lot of them. Alright, y'all, the cookies are out the oven. They're sitting here so they can get, I don't know, you gotta let them sit for a minute. And then the ground turkey, what the fuck is this? The ground chicken done now, too. So I'm gonna put the seasoning in. And then it's 9:20, so I'm actually gonna make my plate because I'm hungry. Got the best, if y'all not eating these on y'all tacos, y'all are missing out. The sweet heat, I got them. And then I tried a new taco seasoning. What is this? I mean, not taco seasoning. Taco sauce. Matillo's, not responsible for obsession. I got the medium kind. Yeah, then I got lettuce. Oh yeah, and then I got these spicy jalapeno cheddar. Ooh, I hope these are good. And then I just got chicken taco seasoning and some lettuce. I forgot to get cheese, so I'm just gonna use some sliced cheese. It don't matter. Yourself a merry little Christmas. Alright, before I go, Jace, what? Before I gotta go in the room, I gotta get this drink I seen. It's a what is this? Ginger ale cranberry raspberry. First, we got the Christmas cookies. Yeah. I thought I wouldn't like these, but these are good. Hell. Good. I should have cooked more, so I'm cooking some tomorrow. Mommy. That's nice. Okay. Got the tacos, y'all. Let's bite it. That's real good. That shell is hot. Woo! Alright, let's try the pop. That's festive. Oh, that's festive. I like the pop. These tacos here too. Y'all want some? It's not always about the beef, guys. Our parents made us eat ground beef. Stop. You're gonna hurt your hands. Stop. Our parents made us eat ground beef because that's cheap and quick. Try ground chicken, ground turkey, plant-based. That was a 1 pound pack for like $5.99 or $4.99. Oh shit. Shit. I'm scared. Whoo, I was scared to swallow. Them sugar cookies were good. I'm probably gonna put some more in the oven tonight because it was quick to do. But if I don't do nothing tonight, I'm definitely gonna do something tomorrow because those are really good. But I hate drinking pop after eating hot stuff. That shit burn. But you want some more chips? Go get them off of the TV, off of the counter. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating and watch some YouTube. I'm gonna edit this video today and get it out for y'all tomorrow. So y'all should be watching this Sunday, December 8th. Because I didn't do much, so I'm gonna finish watching some YouTube or Hannah Montana. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. So make sure you guys like, what the f my light died, bitch. Alright, let me hurry up for the light die again. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you guys want to see from me. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. I lied, not tomorrow's video, but 2 days from now. So I'll see y'all probably Tuesday.